What's up?
Whoop, we're here.
We're here.
Vegas.
We made it.
Look who it is. We're at the airport. We're going to Vegas. We're just heading down to ASW.
We're in matching sweaters.
We're heading down to ASW, Affiliate Summit. Heading to Vegas. It's gonna be a good time. We're tired of shit, so we're just gonna like flip you right to Vegas because we don't want to record through the airport, and you don't really want to see an airport. So we'll see you on the other side. We made it. We got the crew. We're ready. We're going. Let's go. Baggage claim. And then I got you. I got you and I got you. It's gonna be good. What are you doing over there?
I'm excited, man. We're in Las Vegas.
Woo!
I know, right?
We got stuff to do. We're going in. Thank you, Rob. Guys, we made it to the mother Cosmo, and this place is ballin'. So ballin'. Look at it. Crazy. Yeah, this place is dope. Look at these. These are all digital screens going out. What's up? Well, guys, we made it. We are in good old LV, and it is going to be a good one. Stay tuned. We're going to bring you along for the ride. And tomorrow we also got an Entrepreneurs in Cars, which is going to be amazing. See you soon. I'm going to give you a tour of my room at the Cosmo. All right. Little mini snack bar. These look good. What do we got? Signature snacks. Sign me up. Probably eat those when I am intoxicated. See what the bathroom's all about. Oh yeah. We got some sexy legs on the wall. Interesting. What's up, team? Shower, nice shower. Bathroom, I got a naked lady on my wall. Interesting. Nice little lounging area. Couch. Chairs. Nice king size bed. Yep, we like that. Robes that I will never use. TV, a little iPad to control it all. Nice. Let's see these views. Boom. Vegas. It's actually cloudy out today, which is weird, but yeah, so this is our room. I'm excited to use it for one thing only: sleep. Look at this fancy elevator. All right, we are going down. It's a party in here. This is the chandelier bar here. There's like multiple layers of bar. It's really cool. It's great to hang out at night, and like look at how big it is. It's huge.
They got the secret menu too.
What's the secret menu?
You gotta ask for the buzz button.
Yes. Tell them what it does.
No, I'm not gonna tell them. You gotta experience for yourselves.
All right, all right. So crazy.
What's up?
Whoop, we're here.
We're here.
Vegas.
We made it.
Yes, look at this wallpaper. I want fuzzy walls next time I come to
Remind me of
Vegas.
Getting to the Greek.
Yes. I think we will be having a night much like that tonight, possibly.
I think until we leave on Tuesday, it should be a good time.
Yeah, so anyway, we're at ASW.
Yep.
Vegas.
ASW is probably the best show in our space that I'm aware of, at least.
Yeah.
People fly from all along the world that come to Las Vegas for 3 days, meet, network, find opportunities. If you're in the online space and you're looking, it's definitely an event to come to.
Yeah. It's and I think that there's like the allure of Vegas that also drags people here a little bit more, you know, because they have this in New York and it's a big show, but it's not as big.
They had New York, they had it in, I think they had like comparable ones in Bangkok, which I just was at about a month ago. There was one earlier this year in Spain.
Yeah.
But no matter where they are, every time it's in Vegas, it's always the biggest and the best.
Yes, agreed. So what are you here for? Like, what are your main like kind of goals to get out of this event?
Yeah, so the biggest thing I'm here for is honestly just looking for new data opportunities. Email business is my main bread and butter. And I actually got 2 guys I'm bringing out with me, and they're going to be out there, be in the streets, so it's gonna be worthwhile.
The team.
That's right.
Grinding and hustling for old Tyrell.
We brought them all in.
Yeah, and then there's me and Tyler just walking around with a vlogging camera.
Yeah.
Eating food, having drinks, smoozing. Yeah.
With same t-shirts.
Matching, yeah. And we're gonna have we're doing 2 entrepreneurs in cars tomorrow. We got a very special car too, which is gonna be really cool. I'm excited for that one, man.
Should be fun.
It's gonna be fun. And we're gonna try and get some more content too. We're gonna try and do some like face-to-face interviews, even outside of the car too. So we're just like banging out that content. I'm also here to find really good white hat affiliate offers for Facebook. We're always looking to expand with that, trying to lock in the data deals, like you said, on the back end of those offers too, so we can really just grow with the advertiser. And also have a little fun, you know?
Oh, for sure, it's Vegas, yeah. One of the best things, anytime you come to these shows, as much as the online world's all online based, obviously, having that offline connection, like actually meeting people face to face, shaking their hands, and sometimes just brainstorming, you come up with the best stuff.
Yeah.
Anytime I go to a trip, on a trip like this, I'm never sorry. I know good things always come from it, so I always make a point of doing it.
That's one thing you're really good at. You're the relationship guy in this partnership, and I would argue that I'm a relationship guy also. But you like take it to the next level. You're like super personable, meet with everyone, and that's definitely been a huge benefit in our business. So, getting away from being behind the computer, going face to face, coming to these events, meeting people, putting the effort out there. People love to meet, man. Like even us, like our Instagram's kind of been blowing up, and I'm super cool to meet with people that are following our channel and everything, you know, just to see what they're at, see what they're doing, see what we can do to help them grow and take their stuff to the next level. That's
actually something we were talking about, not this year because it was so short notice when we thought about it, but next year we were thinking about maybe like renting a little suite and just having a kind of get together, just everyone show up, share ideas, talk about what you're doing. We'll see what we can do to help you, make it better. That's down the road, probably next year. Maybe New York later this year. But it's something we've been talking about. But that would be a blast.
Yeah, and the benefit to that, we could bring in some of like our trusted like advertisers that have great offers.
Yeah.
And also bring in some like trusted gurus, I guess, if you will. So if you want to...
Well, guys that know what they're doing.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Did you say that?
No.
Did I miss that?
No, that's a good idea.
Okay, perfect. I was like, I don't know. It's been a long flight. We've been traveling since like 6 a.m.
Yeah, it was early this morning.
Yeah.
And I went out last night, so that didn't help things.
But we're churning out a vlog for you guys.
That's right.
And it's going to be mediocre, pretty good. Mediocre.
It'll be fun.
It'll be good. It's content.
I'm excited about the car.
Yes, I'm really excited about
I've never driven that type of car before.
Me neither.
So it should be good.
Neither. The color combo on it's great too. And
it's actually a surprise to me. I don't even know yet. And the guys we're going to be interviewing in the car, you guys definitely wanted to hear from these guys. Both 8-figure dudes.
Yeah.
Guys making serious moves.
The real deal. And you know what I think's so cool about entrepreneurs in cars is it's such a chill scenario. You know, like we're just gonna go for a drive and have a chat. Like
we might end up at the Hoover Dam.
Who knows?
Right.
It'll be damn crazy if we do.
For sure.
It's a terrible joke. But keep watching. We will have lots of content for you for this trip. See you on the next one.
Absolutely. If you're in Vegas, blow us up. Hit us on Insta. We'll be around.
They're not going to see that.
I tried, guys.
It's not live.
I tried.
Awesome. All right. See you guys in the next one.
Later, guys.
Later.